We want to reduce both the average shrinkage and the variability on an injection molding process. In Minitab, select the Assistant menu and the Before/After Control Charts submenu. In the decision tree, go down to the Continuous Data branch. Under Data Collected in Subgroups, follow the Yes branch, and under Subgroup Size greater than 8, select Before/After X_S chart. In the dialog box, in the Y column field, select Shrinkage, and in the column of Subgroup ID field, select Date. In the X column field, choose Change, then click OK.